Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying contact methods so you can actually receive a code. First, confirm your recovery phone or email inside account settings. Once done, pick how you want the code sent: SMS, voice call, or an authenticator app. Open account. Google com/security and tap two-step verification or the get a code action. You're doing this to prove it's you without sharing passwords. Request the code now and watch for the message or app prompt. Make sure your device has signal and notifications, and once you receive the numeric security code, type it exactly into the verification field. Google codes expire quickly, so act fast. If you chose an authenticator app, open it and match the current 6-digit code. This works offline and is more secure than SMS. If you're using a backup code, enter it once and mark it used, then store remaining codes safely. After entry, Google will confirm the device. Make sure to note whether you checked "Remember this device" to reduce repeated prompts. Finalize the process by confirming your device appears as trusted in security settings and update backup options like an extra phone or printed codes. If a code fails, pause and resync. Check your phone's time and time zone, toggle airplane mode or network, then request a new code. If you still can't access your account, try backup codes or alternate recovery email before starting full account recovery. One key tip: keep an authenticator app and one backup phone to avoid lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.